Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome you all again in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif, Saudi Arabia. Dear students, as you know that this is virtual class for class second year students, subject computer science, and today is our 16th lecture. Teacher name is Imran Ahmed. Just the feedback of our previous lecture, we were discussing constants and variable. The simple definition of constant is value at the memory location is called constant, and the definition of variable is name of memory location is called variable. In the mathematics, you can say that the constant definition is those quantities which cannot change its value is known as constant, and those quantities which can change its value is called variable. Today we will discuss about the rules of specifying variable names. What are the rules to define a variable name? This is the long question of same chapter, chapter number 3, long question number 1. We will discuss this long question over here. Watch here, define variable and write the rules for specifying a variable name. This is the exercise question, exercise long question number 1. Variable. First of all, because the definition says, question says define variable. So first we will explain the variable, then we will define the rules of variable. The definition of variable is a value that can change during execution of a program is known as variable or value at the memory location. Name of memory location is called variable. A variable has name known as variable name and its hold data for other types. For example, the name of variable, let's say ABC, X, etc. There are different kinds of variables or different length of variable. But in the mathematics, as you know that you will use variable a single character. Let's say if a question is there, k is equal to 2x plus 3y. So watch over there, a single character variable you use in the mathematics. But over here in the language, you can use the length of a variable up to how many character. We will define this one in the rules. The following are the rules for specifying variable names in C++ language. Number 1, a variable begins with a letter or underscore. Begins with, always begin with a letter or underscore, and may consist of letter, underscore, and or digits. Let's say ABC. Watch over here, ABC, for example, ABC is a variable. Watch the first character. First character is alphabet. So this is valid variable. But second, I want to write F16. Watch over here. F16 is a valid variable because first character is alphabet. But if I write 16F, now this one is the invalid variable. Why this one is the invalid variable? Because this variable start with the numeric digit, and you cannot start a variable with the numeric digit. That's why this one is the invalid variable name. So you can also use this underscore symbol to define a variable. Let's say underscore park. So this one is the valid variable. No other characters. The underscore may be used to improve the readability of a variable name. Second rule is underscore may be used to improve the readability of a variable name. Let's say overtime. If I want to use the overtime, Ignore. I cannot write this over time like this one because there is space between the two words, because there is space between over and time. And keep in mind, space is not allowed to define a variable. Now, if I want to use the overtime a single variable, so what to do? I will put the underscore between the over and time. So it improves the readability of a variable name. So now overtime is a valid variable. If I will not use a underscore between these two words, so it will be invalid variable name. So most of the boys doing the mistake over here, they use the minus symbol instead of underscore. They use the minus symbol, and minus symbol is not allowed, hyphen is not allowed, only underscore is allowed. So this one is again an invalid variable name. Why? Because two words are joined with the hyphen symbol, minus symbol. So minus symbol is not. If you want to join the two words into a single word, then you should use two underscore symbol. Now, if you don't want to use the underscore symbol, so skip. But there is no space. Watch over here. This is written over time, but for the readability, it is very poor variable name. But it is acceptable. But the poor variable name. Okay, next is there is no restrictions on the length of a variable name. Length of a, however, only the first 31 character of a variable are significant. Let's say you want to use the name of variable, this one, up to, so keep in mind, so it is assume that the length of this text which I have right now, so its length is almost 50 characters. So third rule define that first 31 characters or variables are significant. 31 characters, let's say over here, these are the acceptable, and rest will be ignored by compiler. So first 31 characters or variables are significant. Next, both upper and lower case letters are allowed in the naming variable. Uppercase letter you can use, lowercase letter you can use. An uppercase letter is considered different from a lowercase letter. So, for example, the variable avg, this is the uppercase letter is different from the avg. Why this is different from the avg or avg? Watch over here, there are three same name is same avg, but over here total all three characters are uppercase letter. Over here first character is an uppercase, rest are small cases. Over here all three characters are small cases, so they are different from each other. So you can use, if the avg, so you must, if you define the average variable in your program, so as you define in your program, you will use as it is as you define in your program. Next rule, special characters cannot be used as variable names. Special character cannot be used as variable name. For example, hash, question mark, at the rate, etc. Special, let's say I was using f underscore 16. Now this is acceptable because underscore is allowed. But if you will use f dash 16 or hyphen 16 or minus 16, it is unacceptable, it is invalid, because only special character in special character only underscore is allowed. No other special character is allowed in defining a variable. Or you can use a like this one. So this one is also an invalid variable. So no special character except underscore is allowed. Next important rule, reserved word of C++ language. Reserved word of C++ language such as int, case, if, etc. cannot be used as variable names. For example, if you want to define a variable like if. So it is an invalid. Why this one is invalid? Because if is a reserved word and you cannot use reserved word as a variable name. Next, there must be no space in the name of a variable. For example, mass. So after the MA, you put the space and double S separate. So this one is an invalid variable name, not a correct variable name. Okay. Excuse me. There is a short question belonging to variable. State whether the following variable names are valid or invalid. State the reason for invalid variable name. So this is exercise question. First one, A123. Second, underscore ABCD. C is 5 HML. D toad.al. E is F3 up to so on. G, and last one is this one. So check over here A1 to 3 this and keep the rules of defining a variable in your mind and tell and check before watching over here, watching the answer. You must decide yourself whether it is valid variable name or invalid variable name. First one is A123. According to me, this is valid variable name. Why? Because A is the first starting character, and 1 to 3 is also allowed after the characters. You can use like we did in the F16 case. So A1 to 3. Reason why this one is valid, because all rules are applied on this one, A1 to 3. Next one, underscore ABCD. Check it. This one is valid or invalid. I told you the second rule, underscore you can use in the starting, or alphabet you can use in the starting of a variable, and underscore you also use between the variable name. So underscore at the starting is valid. So this one, according to me, this one is also a valid variable name. Check it. Underscore ABC, all rules applied. Number C, 5 HML. According to me, this is invalid. Why this one is invalid? Because starting character is a number, and you cannot use variable name starting with a number or with a digit. So this one is an invalid. So 5 HML is invalid. Why invalid? Reason, start with a number. Next one is total. Not a total. This word is tot.al. I told you in the previous lecture, previous topic, that only special character underscore is allowed. No special character, other special character is allowed. And over here I found a dot is present. That's why it is an invalid. Watch over here. So dot al, dot is not allowed. Dot not allowed. F3SS1. So according to me, this one is also a valid variable name. Why? Because it is starting with an alphabet. F3SS1, all rules are applied over here. F, C $ AVG. This one is an invalid. Because why invalid? Because only underscore special character is allowed. Over here they are using $ between joining the two words. So $ is not allowed. Watch over here. C $ AVG, $ is not allowed in the variable name declaration. Next, G is net underscore weight. Now watch here, according to me, this one is a valid variable name because underscore is allowed between joining the two name of variable. So net underscore weight is a valid. All rules are applied. Net weight is all rules are applied. Number H, see out. Now watch here. This one is an invalid. Why invalid? Because see out is a reserve word. I told you in the rules of variable declaration, reserve words cannot be made as a variable name. Variable, we cannot make reserve word name as a variable name, and see out is a reserve word. Rest, if you check, all rules are applicable. All rules means it's starting with the character, it's okay, rest, everything is fine. But see out is an reserve word, and we cannot use reserve word as a variable name. Check the specification. See out is invalid variable name. Why invalid? Reason, because this one see out is a reserve word. I hope you understand today's topic. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss the further topic in very detail. Till take care of yourself. Pray for me, pray for all Muslim. Allah Hafiz.